Alright, 38 is a little more difficult than before because A is not going to be 1, and also there's some typos, which makes it really difficult. So this plus 3 should be a minus 3. Ugh. Minus 3. And this minus 6 should be a minus 5 over here. So there you go. Maybe now we can do them. So watch this. Remember, factored form, your answer should be in a format like this with 2 sets of parentheses. Anything that's not that, you're losing points, all right? Because then you're just writing random stuff, all right? So right here, we just need to find out what to put inside the parentheses. That's the whole point. So now we're going to find A, B, and C. A, B, and C. A is in front of x squared. That's going to be 2 for its A. B is in front of x. That's going to be 7. And C is just a number at the end. That's 6. All right. Now we're going to draw the x box. In the top, remember, it goes A times C. A times C is 2 times 6, which is 12. The bottom is going to be B, which is 7. Now we're going to find two numbers that multiply to the top and add to the bottom. That's going to be 3 and 4. Now I'm going to write it towards the bottom because watch this. A is not 1. See, A is 2, right? It's not 1. Which means we have to do a special thing right here. We're going to, on top, we're going to put this into a fraction. And on top, we're going to put A, which is 2. And we're going to attach x to that. Boom. Okay, and then we're going to simplify fractions. If we can't simplify, we just leave it. 2 over 3, can't simplify that. 2 over 4, we can simplify that. That's going to become 1x over 2. And then watch, this is exactly what goes inside the parentheses. Check this out. This is actually pretty wild right here. So watch this. We've got 2x, right, into the parentheses. We've got positive 3, right, plus 3 in the parentheses. Next parentheses, 1x over here. That's just x. And then positive 2, right? So positive 2. And that's my answer. That is ridiculous. If you multiply this out, you would get 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. I wish they taught me that in that school. You know, when I was in high school, if my teacher was Coach Gu and he taught me that, I'd be like, dang, you're the coolest guy ever. All right, next, B. A, B, and C. A is going to be 2, B is going to be negative 5, and C is going to be negative 3 because we changed it, remember? All right, X box over here. I'm kind of running out of space here, but that's okay. A times C in the top, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and the bottom negative 5. Now, a lot of people struggle with finding the two numbers that actually work for this, and it's actually going to be negative 6 and positive 1. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6, and negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. All right, now what do we need to do next? Remember, we're going to turn into a fraction, and on top we're going to put 2 because that's A, x, 2x. All right, we're going to simplify the fractions that we can. This 2 over negative 6 is going to become 1 over negative 3. So 1x over negative 3. So my parentheses is going to be 1x, which is just x, negative 3, which is minus 3. Next set of parentheses is going to be 2x. Then we got positive 1, so plus 1. And that's my answer, x minus 3 times 2x plus 1. All right, now I'm going to erase this because I'm actually out of space. So remember, this is a minus 5x. So A equals 3, B equals negative 5, and C equals negative 2. So let's draw the x box. Ugh. On top, A times C, that's 3 times negative 2, negative 6. Bottom is B, negative 5. This is the exact same as before. So negative 6 and 1. The only difference now is on top of the fraction, we have a 3, so it's going to be 3x. 3x. All right, simplify, so it's going to be 1x over negative 2, and this one can't be changed, so now we've got our answer already. We can see it's going to be 1x right here, so x. We got minus 2 on the bottom right there, so minus 2. And then other parentheses, we got 3x, and we've got positive 1, plus 1. And there it is, x minus 2 times 3x plus 1 would give us our original answer back. And that is the end of the review. Hope you guys are ready. See ya in the next one. Peace!